Hi everyone, my name is Hansen. Today I will present my infographic on communication flow and process. I will show you how a message move from one person to another and how it's come back as a feedback. Part 1, the path of message. My infographic show 7 stage. Each stage build on the one before it. The stage 1 is a sender. The sender has an idea and wants to share it. Stage 2. Stage 2 is encoding. The sender turns the idea into words, tone, or a gesture. Stage 3 is a message. The idea how exists as a signal ready to move. Stage 4 is the channel. This is the path the message takes. It could be speak, a text, or a screen. Stage 5 is the receiver. This is the person who takes in the message. Stage 6. The receiver reads a message and finds its meanings. Stage 7 is a feedback. The receiver sends a response back. This closes the loop and shows the message was understood. Note guys, noise can enter at any stage. Noise means anything that block or blend the message. For example, a loud room, a bugword, or a bad signal can all cause noise. And we will proceed to the part 2 guys. This is the 5 facts worth knowing. Here are 5 facts that support this topic. First, a message is not complete until feedback confirms it was understood. Second, the process run on first core stage: encoding, transmission, decoding, and feedback. Third, noise can distort a message at any point between the sender and the receiver. Fourth, verbal language space. Verbal language space how a person show daily life into categories. It helps build a sense of reality. Stage 5. This is the 7 C's. 7 C's guide a strong message: clear, correct, complete, concrete, concise, considered, and courteous. That is the part 2 guys, and we will proceed to the part 3. This is the 4 common barriers. These are the 4 common barriers that can block a message. Number 1, physical noise. Physical noise is a background sound or a broken line. Number 2, systematic noise. Systematic noise is a word of term that receiver does not understand. 3, psychological noise. Psychological noise is a stress, bias, or a wandering mind. 5, channel noise. Channel noise is a drop call or smudge page or lagging screen. That is the part 3 guys. We'll proceed to the part 4. This is the last part, 7 C's. To close, here is the quick checklist for strong communication. The 7 C's are clear, correct, complete, concise, concrete, considered, and courteous. That cover my infographic on communication flow and processes. A message moves through clear step and feedback. It what completes the loop. Thank you for watching guys. I hope I delivered the message for in this my presentation. See you guys. Thank you.